or whatever. So what is this? The SR20, right? Of course, I'm going to videotape this this amazing vehicle that we have in front of us.
Hold.
Why? Jesus Christ! Woo! Look at that baby run! Oh man!
Oh no!
Engine failure. Gee, we got flying debris here. Hey. Whoa there.
Stop.
Very nice. Brad just his car broke the garage now. Alright, let's hear this airplane fly. Come on, let's try it again, dude.
What I need to do.
Okay, I'll do this. Can you hold my beer this time, please?
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, you do it.
Okay, so
Let the chick do it.
Start it up, just pull this back like that much.
Is it gonna burn me?
No.
Yes.
Doesn't get hot?
Oh yeah, it's hot.
How much?
Like that much.
Just
Why?
a little bit.
Why?
You're opening the throttle there.
Wait.
Hold my beer, watch this.
No, not until
Let's
No, I'm just checking.
No, you can do it. Here, you do it. It's
No, I'm
fine.
afraid to.
Nah,
It's
it's
gonna
okay.
bite me.
Yeah, it's just gonna bite you.
Ah!
Hold it.
Right now? No, you do it.
Oh,
I wanna
Jesus
watch you
Christ.
first.
All right, let's hear this airplane fly.
It sounded intense.
Look at that valve cover. That adds like, what, 10 horsepower to it?
What are you talking about? They're right from the factory.
I'm just kidding, dude. Where's the turbo on this thing anyway? I feel like a retard. So you want me to hold it open just a little bit? Got it?
You broke it!
Ah, engine failure. Damn it. It's just
What
cold,
is
huh?
that?
It doesn't see.
Brad,
it
what
doesn't
is
see
that?
boost coming in, and so the ECU thinks
What is this?
That
it's
is
the throttle.
the
Okay.
throttle cable. Throttle.
What does it do?
It makes it go vroom.
Really?
Really. Okay.
Brad, what does that do?
Try it one more time. Third time's a charm, baby. Let's go, power. Do it now. Get to the chopper. Hey there, pretty lady. Oh. Ah, you like that smell, huh? It smells like gasoline. Jesus Christ.
Oh, I turned it off.
Oh yeah.
We're all gonna die.
Yeah, really, dude. It's like we're filling this place up.
This is how you.
Hypoxia.